Today we are in Floral City, and we've gone to this place multiple times.
Right.
Never filmed it, and that is Ferris Groves here behind us. They are known for their citrus. In fact, the sign up here says the finest name in citrus. It's right as you enter Floral City. There's a huge sign, says welcome to Floral City, Ferris Groves, and behind us, here it is. Now they have like creamsicle shakes, orange juice, all that.
Shortcake whenever it's strawberry.
Oh yeah, you're right. It is a seasonal place. And I will also say I would consider this a roadside attraction. So it'll probably end up in the roadside attractions playlist.
Okay.
But we're gonna go film it, get some, I don't know, some sort of citrus drink and show you their little like snack area. I wouldn't really call it snacks, but just like your stands.
Like
Inside they've got
stand,
like
produce stand.
all sorts of stuff. We'll just have to show you. Anyway, let's go check it out. Zooming in here, you can see you have just passed us Ferris Groves, the finest name in citrus. On the other side of that sign right there is where it says, welcome to Floral City, Ferris Groves. And right here is like a biking trail. They actually have a section you can pull off while you're on that trail, ride on up here and get a refreshment. I believe back, I don't want to say olden days, but maybe a few years ago, I think they gave tours of their little facility here. I'm not sure if they still do that, but I think at one point they did give tours of it. But the little stand, Ferris Groves, right here, got a lot of stuff in it. Right now they do have a couple like vendors with boiled peanuts and something else up there, and it's pretty well packed at the moment. There's a lot of cars over here in the extra overflow parking, and then there's some parking up in front as well. Ferris Groves, finer fruit. We're gonna continue walking this way. So here's a little section. They do have a bunch of fresh citrus, obviously. You can grab some here. And then if we go inside, we're gonna go in this way. I don't know the hours, but I would recommend looking on their Facebook page because it is seasonal. Little note here. Like I said, I think you used to be able to do tours. I'm not sure if they do it anymore. Looks pretty old school. Here's a little photo op. Ferris Groves, we had a bushel of fun in Floral City. Ignore their sign, that's just because the frame rate I'm filming at makes it look like that. It actually works just fine, so ignore that. But here's Ferris Groves. You can enter here, or you can enter the side that we were just on. Either way, we'll get you inside. Now, when we did a driving tour of downtown Floral City, it's actually right down there. We went down that way, turned, and just drove and did a lap that way. If we go inside, again, I don't know if hours are on the door since it's a seasonal thing, but let's see. I don't see hours on the door. So they just have a lot of random items, like here's pecan oil, natural cheese, fresh squeezed juice. They got apple cider, sodas, lemonades, strawberry orange juice, grapefruit juice, and regular orange juice. They have honey. You like honey sticks, don't you?
Yes.
Those are always good. Clover, cinnamon, vanilla, blackberry, orange, raspberry, lemon, green apple, peach, and watermelon. Some fun little souvenirs. That's why I consider it a roadside attraction. Over here, take and bake meals. So they've got some pies and some entrees as well. Here's what it looks like. This is where you're gonna order. All milkshakes must be ordered and paid for at the register. Got some hats. Oh, some shirts down here too. Right down there. Look at the postcards. a duck call, and your shirts are down here. Fudge. Some cherry jam. $3 for some cherry jam. Here's what's homemade. Ooh, an orange slushie. Or an apple cider one. What's this? Oh, it's a season thing where you can buy, like for the holidays, huh? That's actually a pretty smart idea.
I didn't know that yesterday, and she mixed up the orange one, and then she put the bucket back in the sink, and the apple cider was in there.
Look at that.
You had to pour the whole thing out. I even tasted it, and it was like water with a little.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. I didn't know that.
Like samplers. Oh, monthly fruit club.
All right, just like one of the
Key lime cake. Oh, that's pretty neat. Got some cookies, chocolate chip. We've got some monster cookies, peanut butter cookies. Over here, salsas. I do like a good salsa.
Horseradish seafood dipping sauce.
And then, of course, your jams, your jellies, guava butter.
Cheese oranges.
Florida Sunset Jelly, that looks good. Some pickled garlic, relish. It's busy in here. Seasonings, steak seasoning, swamp gator sauce. We've got some dressings. And these are all their brand too, right here. Cranberry jalapeno jam, elderberry jelly, fig jam, peach jam, peanut butter, blackberry jam, bacon jam. Oh, 4 employees only, but they do have some pickles. And then pasta. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna get. What are you getting, do you know?
I'm getting those. I know that.
You're getting these oatmeal
Sandwich.
sandwich cookies? Okay.
Computers.
They had a whole section of them up there too.
Yeah, I know.
There's some of there's their milkshake and their juice over there. Some chapsticks. I can't decide between a slushie or a milkshake. The orange slush.
Orange slushie?
So Timber, you got the milkshake,
Yeah.
the orange because it's vanilla based with orange in it, and I did the orange slushie. I think we did this last time and I was jealous of your orange milkshake.
I knew I had something with orange and vanilla in it. That's all I knew.
Wanted to switch it up though so we each could show something. I did ask about tours and the manager's not here, so not sure if they still do tours. And then I think their shirt said 1921 or 31 is when it was established. I'll look. Their shirt said 1931 on them, but here's the slushie. Timber's got the milkshake. We'll try it here in just a second. Looking back in this, so I feel like they still have it set up like it used to be, so I'm thinking they probably still do tours, but probably not today. They did say call and ask. Oh, there's some of their, like, I guess that little booklet we looked at. That's probably what the stuff looks like. There's yours. Tastes like an orange creamsicle, or?
Yeah, I mean, it's great.
That's the difference between a slushie and the milkshake. And then you ended up getting the cookies. Let's try mine. They give you huge straws too, but that's good. That's really good. Yep, that's really good.
Which one's better?
Depends if you're looking for like more of a just a regular like drink or a little bit something that's more like a dessert. They're both equally good.
Yeah.
Depends what you're looking for.
Mine better.
I knew you were gonna say that. Mine's good too. They do have picnic tables out here. That's where we're gonna go. I would like to do a tour here sometime. We'll just have to reach out and see if they still offer it. So I will say the slushie is more like obviously sugary, sweeter than the milkshake. But here is the strawberry shortcake. Look at that. That looks good. Here's the cake. That's really good. I would recommend that. That's very good. I think I might go in and buy some orange juice just to try regular orange juice. I should have grabbed some while I was in there. I wasn't thinking about it, but I think they have a small OJ we can get. Gotta try original OJ. Oh, they don't have many left in here, so looks like it's gonna be the half gallon. I don't see any 16. They currently don't have any 16 ounces, so it's gonna be this one. The orange juice here, they did have a little loyalty card that buy 10 milkshakes, get the next one free. Here's the little ice cream sandwich. I shouldn't say ice cream, I should say like an oatmeal cream pie, but that's good. Let's give this a try. I had a cup in the car. It's a shake before drinking. Keep refrigerated. There we go. This is leftover from this morning, ground up cup. It's fresh. Fresh orange juice right there. I guess there's some seeds, probably, yeah, some pulp. Timber, you like pulp in there, right? Yeah, I do too. So I just saw somebody come out of this little building we were looking in, and I believe the restrooms are in there. So I'm gonna go open the door, show the inside of it, but they do have some restrooms over here. Sure enough. Look at this. There's the holiday stuff. There's men's restroom right there. Women's over here. Can't see it very well, but back through there. Factory. That was our trip out to Ferris Groves here in Floral City. Although it wasn't a full tour, we kind of got to see a little bit of the inside there. And again, would consider this a fun roadside attraction since 1931. We got some good orange juice, good treats. Again, it is seasonal, so just be sure to look at their Facebook page and see what times they're open. I think they have a website too.
I just saw it on Facebook. But
Oh,
yes,
gotcha.
They
Yeah,
have
yeah.
a website.
A lot of fun Christmas items. Like they do good with citrus for Christmas. And I enjoy it. It's a fun little spot. So if you're in the area, would recommend stopping in and checking it out. With that being said, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.